This video will show you how to create a graphing a function in the Nspire calculator page in your notebook. You will need a screenshot of a function being graphed and a foldable of our calculator. Go ahead and cut those both out and then turn in your notebooks to page 4. Okay, you're going to glue our yellow calculator down on the left-hand side of your page. Make sure you leave enough room for the writing, and then glue the screenshot down here at the bottom. Once that's done, you can put in your title, Graphing a Function, and let's copy down the steps. So step 1 is to push the Home button, and it will take you to the home screen. Step 2 is to push number 1, which will open a new document. Step 3, you're going to push number 2 to add a graph. Step 4, you'll type the function in f1 of x equals, and then push enter. This will show you a graph with your line on the graph. But in order to get it onto a piece of paper, we need a table. So step 6 is to hit Control-T, which will open your table. Okay, and it will look just like this. You'll have the screen over here with the graph shown and your table. And so your last step is just to graph the points. And if you remember, our points are in XY form. And in the Nspire, our Y values are called f of x. So we're going to graph x and f1 of x. So this point right here is point -2, -6. This is -1, -3, 0, 0, and so on. And if you remember, you need 3 points on your graph to graph a line. Once you're done completing your notebook page, go ahead and turn back to the table of contents, which should be glued down on page 3. And let's make sure that we get this into our table of contents. We're going to put the title right here under Resource, and our title is Graphing a Function. This is on page 4. And then I like to put a little thing here, a little calculator. We just draw that in so that I know that this is a calculator page in case I get stuck and need to remember how to do something in the Nspire. So there is our first page.